What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves and stuff. Today we're gonna actually dive into the world of tablets, and we're gonna take a closer look of the Amazon Fire HD 8 Plus. This trusty little thing right here. It's a wonderful little device, and it's actually been making waves for a while. So I wanted to get my hands on one, to say the least. But I wanted to get one with as much memory as possible. So the one I got is the 64 gig, which is the highest memory you can get in these. So we're gonna go ahead and review this from head to toe and see if it's actually worth the money that I spent on it. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button to keep the algorithm going. And we're gonna get into this. All right, guys, let's get it. So practically, this is the tablet in itself. I took it out of the box. I just got it not too long ago, about a week ago to be exact. As you can see, the brick still has the wrapping on it, and there's a USB-C charger for it. This actually gets charged by USB-C, just so you know. Like I mentioned earlier, it's wireless charging also available. And this one is the 64 gig one. So we're gonna practically talk about the build quality of this and the sleek design. The quality of this is actually great, and the design's very sleek, as you can see, and it's very modern. It has a camera in the back. It also has a front-facing camera as well. The screen is very crisp. The only thing I'm not too pleased about is the ads on the display screen. That part I'm not too happy about, to say the least. So everything's very responsive in regards to the app in itself. This is actually the game Homescape that I'm actually playing at the present time while using this. So this is how great and how responsive this tablet is. So it actually has a gaming mode, and you could, this is the home screen and all the stuff. But I also wanted to let you guys know as well, this only has the Amazon App Store on it. You cannot download Google Play and put it on there. Certain apps you won't be able to have access to if you have Google Play, because the Amazon App Store doesn't carry these type of apps or games sometimes. So some games you'll have accessibility to, some games you will not. Some apps you will have accessibility to, some apps you will not, because they do not have a binding agreement with the Amazon App Store. So and also, like I mentioned earlier, you won't be able to download the Play Store onto this as well. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell in regards to the App Store and everything else. But it's very slick. The screen is very responsive. You could move around left, right, right, left without any issues whatsoever. It's easy to swipe, very responsive to the touch. There's no lag time in it whatsoever. It's great for travel purposes. That's why I bought this, to say the least. It's a great laptop, little tablet. Sorry, not laptop. I meant to say tablet. And I'm also gonna leave the link of this actual item in the description below in case you're interested in getting you one. And I'm gonna be giving you the specs of this actual item as well. So bear with me so while we get the specs going and all the amazing little features this thing has. It's a great design. It sports a sleek, modern look. Very comfortable grip. As you can see, I could move it around. It's about 8 inches to be exact. It's easy to the touch, but I also recommend you get a case for this as well to protect it. And now I need to talk about performance. As far as the performance is concerned, so if you look on the top of it, it actually has a power button and a volume on off button, microphone, headphone jack, and USB-C jack right up at the bottom. And on the side of it, it actually has a micro SD card extension slot. Yeah, it actually has 1 terabyte of actually gig space on the expandable storage. Yeah, so if you look on the side of this, you'll actually see this little slot here. It's actually the micro SD expandable storage slot, and that's expandable to up to 1 terabyte of storage there. So that's great. You can actually watch movies, and obviously it works with Amazon Alexa. All right, everyone. This is the new Fire HD8 Plus. It actually comes in two storage capacity, 64 gig and 32 gig. I would suggest you get the one with the highest memory, of course. It has a 12-hour battery life with wireless charging, 3 gigs of RAM. You could actually use Prime Video, Spotify, Zoom, Kindle, Netflix, Disney Plus, Amazon Music. You could use all of that stuff with it. And it's an 8-inch tablet, of course. It's perfect for entertainment. And actually, it doesn't have lock screen ads. Mine, the one I purchased, actually came with lock screen lock screen ads. Sorry. I'm trying to figure out how to get rid of that just yet. So I just made a mistake of purchasing the one with the lock screen ads, and that actually is bothersome to me. But I mean, if you don't want lock screen ads, this was actually the perfect one for you. I'll also leave the link of that in the description below. Keep in mind that the wireless charging dock is not included in this. And I'm also going to leave the link of the case as well in the description below so you can get you one. For under 160, you can get you a good one like that. Like I mentioned, you should get as much memory as possible. One with the 64 gig. It actually is an 8-inch display with 2 times the storage. The internal storage is 64 gig, and obviously you can update that up to 1 terabyte with a micro SD card. And it has 3 gigs of RAM internally for processing speed and an all-day battery life, obviously, and that comes with wireless charging. You could use this up to 12 hours. You could do up to 12 hours of reading, browsing the web, watching videos, listening to music. Not in that particular order or in that sequence, and it will definitely last you 12 hours throughout the day, and it actually charges very fast. It charges fully under 4 hours, and it includes the cable and the adapter as well. And it's a USB-C charger, like I mentioned earlier. The good thing about this tablet is it's 30% faster thanks to the 2.0 gigahertz processor, quad-core processor that it has. And it's actually perfect. You could actually use it for anything you can think of, to be honest with you. It has Bluetooth, it has Dolby Atmos sound. It's a wireless device, of course. You can get internet access with dual band AC Wi-Fi. It's very responsive, as I've shown you earlier. The display of the screen and actually how the feel of the tablet is. And you can actually use this for all your favorite apps, but you gotta also keep in mind Google Play is not supported with this. You have to use the Amazon App Store. And some apps on the Google Play is not available on the Amazon App Store. So you have to actually make a conscious decision as to before buying this if you have Google Play that there's a possibility that you might not be able to get the same app on the Amazon App Store because they don't have the same binding agreements with various app manufacturers or app makers, so to speak. And I suggest you guys do some further research onto this, but it's actually a great tablet. I would definitely recommend you guys buy. This right here, guys, is actually the cover for the tablet in itself. It's perfect. I'm going to leave the link of that cover in the description below as well, as long as the wireless charger, the charging pad as well. So feel free to go in the description below if you're looking for further information on how to acquire these. I'll actually make life easier for you by just going in the description and just clicking and getting whatever you want. And these are actually perfect. It's in perfect genuine leather. It's awesome. And it comes in various colors and different scheme, different designs and stuff like that. And you could use those to stand it up. You could use it to do various stuff with. It's perfect. As you can see, it's 4.5 stars. It's a great tablet altogether on Amazon. And the link will be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can actually make more content like this for you guys. And enjoy, guys. Have a great day. Peace.